Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to Mounn Shrine in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map. Now zoom all the way out and then scroll down. And go to Watatsumi Island first, and then zoom in right here. So here you can see, here's Mounn Shrine. Click on this blue icon right here, and then on the bottom right side of your screen you'll see an option called teleport. Click on it and you'll be teleported to Mounn Shrine. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.